Okay, this is a beautiful young lab retriever. It says 9 months old, but you can't trust these kennel cards. It's a boy. He's scheduled to be euthanized on Halloween. A big black dog at Brooks, scheduled to be euthanized on Halloween. I don't like the sound of it. Strikes against him. And I will tell you, and I know you probably can't see this because he's dark, he's got an ouchie on his front leg, like he was bit by something. There is a little bit of blood on the floor. The dog looks defeated, but he looks like a beautiful, beautiful lab to me. But of course he's black, so it's going to be very difficult to see his features in a video. I feel so sorry for these black dogs that end up at Brooks. I call it the deadly 3 Bs, 3 bad strikes. He's big, he's at Brooks, and he's black. The odds of him getting out of here are not good. I'm hoping that if you see this video and it's not a dog that would be for you, flip his video to your family and friends, post him on your Facebook, put him on Craigslist. We need him to be seen by as many people as possible to increase his chances of getting out of here. He's very deserving of a home.